Hello everyone, welcome back to Double G's Garage. Well, we got the floor pans in the 69 convertible. I'll show you a little walk around here in a minute. Today we're gonna get them all painted up. We're gonna get this chassis flipped back down on the ground, and then we'll be ready to start on some of the fun stuff, putting four-wheel disc brakes on the brake lines and getting everything all buttoned up, new floor pan seal, and getting ready to put that body. So here's what we got done. Sorry about the shadows here. But we got the pans in. By the way, I used Wolfsburg West floor pans, and I gotta say, this is the first time I've ever used them. Fantastic floor pans, fit perfect. Didn't need any trimming or anything. Didn't have any burn through problems with the welder, and I'm not using the greatest welder. I got just a Harbor Freight gasless wire feed MIG welder, and but I'll tell you what, worth every penny if you get a chance to use some of these. Pay the extra money and get them much better than the typical black thinner gauge floor pans that I've used in the past. But yeah, we got some cleaning up to do. Walk around here, and we gotta finish painting everything today, and then we can get this chassis flipped back down. completed floor pan, all painted up, ready to go back together. Start working on finishing up, cleaning up the rest of the chassis. But I think it came out good. I got new axles to go on it, so they'll be going on next. Well, I don't know if everybody's finding these videos interesting or not. It's just putting floor pans in and painting it, but again, hopefully you are. You can see the process that I've done. And again, I'm not doing a Chris Malone full-blown restoration. This is more along the lines of what I'd call a budget restoration. If you watch my other videos, you've seen, we did the Rust-Oleum paint job, and then, now we've finished installing pans and painting that, and we're putting the money in the good stuff, the interior and top, and wheels and tires and four-wheel disc brakes, stuff like that. It's going to be a driver. So anyway, I think it turned out nice. Let me know in the comments, and then again, if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, give us some comments, let us know what you think. And again, thanks for stopping by. See you next time.